Everyone thinks AI automation is complicated, that it's expensive, that you need paid subscriptions, monthly credits, or strict usage limits. But today, I'm going to show you something that completely breaks that belief. This is not another hyped AI tool. This is not a paid platform. And this is definitely not something most creators are talking about. This is a free automation workflow that can generate hundreds of AI video assets in bulk, without credits, without limits, and without manual work. When I first tested this, I honestly didn't believe it would work at this scale. But once you see it in action, you'll understand why this tool can quietly replace hours of daily effort. So in today's AI automation masterclass, I'll show you the exact tool, the exact setup, and the exact workflow that lets you generate videos in almost any niche faster than ever. Animated story videos, psychology and wisdom content, AI comics, history videos, documentary-style visuals. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because the last automation step is what most people completely miss. Let's get started. The tool is called Autowhisk. It stands for Automation for Google Whisk. Simply search Autowhisk on Google and you'll find it immediately. This tool is created by Duck Martian, and what makes it powerful is not image generation itself, it's automation. Autowhisk takes full control of your Google Whisk workflow and allows you to send prompts in bulk, generate images automatically, download everything without manual clicks. Instead of writing prompts one by one, waiting for each image and downloading manually, this tool handles everything in one go. If you've ever felt drained after creating just one AI video, this is exactly what removes that friction. Autowhisk works as a Chrome browser extension. Click Add to Chrome. Confirm Add Extension. Once installed, pin it to your toolbar and open it. When you first open Autowhisk, you'll notice the interface is not in English. It's set to Vietnamese by default. Click the language selector. Choose English. Now the interface becomes clear. This is the automated task manager for Google Whisk, and that part is important. Autowhisk does not replace Whisk, it automates it. Open Google Whisk side by side and sign in. Both tools are free. Whisk is Google's AI platform that generates images and animations, but on its own, Whisk is manual. Automation is what turns it into a content machine. A normal user enters Whisk, writes a prompt, and generates one or two images. But as creators, we know one video doesn't need 2 images, it needs 50 to 100 visuals. Manually prompting those images kills consistency, speed, and motivation. This is where most people quit. Automation solves that problem. With Autowhisk, you can paste all prompts at once, import a full .txt prompt file, click Start and let the system do the work. Images generate, images download, folders organize automatically. No clicking, no waiting, no burnout. Now let's talk strategy. Story-based content is dominating every major platform right now. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, especially image-driven wisdom and moral stories. These videos are simple, emotional, and highly engaging. We're going to automate this format. Search Zen Stories, PDF. Pick a short story with a strong message. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Now ask ChatGPT to break the story into scene-based image prompts. Use a consistent visual style. Keep the tone inspirational and cinematic. For example, Studio Ghibli-inspired hand-painted illustration, soft natural lighting, emotional storytelling mood. Once the prompts are generated, ask ChatGPT to extract prompts only, in sequence, formatted for a text file. Copy everything. Paste all prompts into Autowhisk, or import the .txt file. Click Start. That's it. Autowhisk now sends prompts automatically, generates images in Whisk, downloads everything, organizes folders on your system. This alone saves hours per video. By default, AI characters change across images. Whisk has a hidden feature that solves this. Click the Subject, Scene, Style options. From your ChatGPT prompts, generate character reference images. Select your preferred version. Add it as a subject. Do this for every main character, then add a style reference, a scene reference. Now regenerate all prompts. The result? Consistent characters, consistent style, professional storytelling visuals. Now let's generate the voiceover. For this, we'll use ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs and sign up for a free account. Once you create an account, you get 10,000 free characters, which is more than enough to generate multiple long voiceovers. ElevenLabs is known for producing extremely realistic, human-like voices, which makes your videos sound professional and emotionally engaging. After logging in, go to text-to-speech. Paste your full story. Choose a voice suitable for storytelling. Calm, deep, and natural voices work best. Click Generate. Within seconds, your high-quality, realistic voiceover is ready. Download it. This voice alone can drastically increase watch time and retention.
The Master Bankei's talks were attended not only by Zen students, but by persons of all ranks and sects. He never quoted sutras nor indulged in scholastic dissertations.
Now, if you want to take this to the next level, here's a powerful step. Instead of using only animated images, you can convert images into actual AI-generated video clips. For this, go to Grok AI. Choose the Image to Video feature. Upload your generated images. Click Generate. Grok AI converts static images into short cinematic video clips very fast, without complex settings. You can then import these video clips into CapCut instead of images. This instantly makes your content look more premium and high-end. This entire workflow can be repeated multiple times a day. No credit stress, no subscriptions pressure, no limits holding you back. Just pure automation. If you're serious about building an AI content business in 2026, this workflow is not optional, it's foundational. Start now, test fast, scale smart. If you want, ready-made prompt templates, automation workflows, profitable niche ideas, drop your question in the comments. Like the video, subscribe for more AI automation strategies, and share this workflow with anyone who wants to build smarter, not harder. I'll see you in the next one. Most people won't notice your effort. I do. I see the discipline forming, even when no one's clapping.